This is Brad and Mark. Here's Mark, and obviously I'm behind the camera today. Picked this up yesterday from Western Hobbies, as you can see there. We're just going to do a quick unboxing, and we're going to go straight out and fly it straight out of the box. So yeah, I'll let Mark do the honours there.
There we go. This is the little, what they call micro flyer. It's indoor or outdoor, or you could probably say it's out a little bit of both. Comes with, which it just pulled it apart and opened the battery. That's one of my batteries. Comes with a little 150 amp single cell LiPo 45C. You got your instructions, little USB charger. I charged it, it says in the manual, for 45 minutes on 2S 2.0. I charged it on USB 3 and it took about 15 minutes. So that's another advantage. You got little
PlayStation like radio.
Yeah, you can say that.
I've used one before on Blade 120S. Not too bad. Definitely enough to get you going.
This plane runs like a safe system through what Horizon Hobby are now starting to do. So you got your channels, so you beginner, intermediate and experienced. It's got a safe button, so auto saves.
Or oh shit button.
Yeah. And yeah, that's the controller. You get your batteries. There's a manual, some little screws.
And yeah, so let's get her out of the box.
Yeah. You do need a knife. I'm just going to try to use a key.
Come well prepared.
Nice and simple. As you can see, it's ready to, or almost ready to fly, straight out of the box. So I'll take that. Got some little plastic wrap on it.
Now, there's a little light breeze today, so we will be flying other planes as well. But we'll hopefully it'll handle it nice. I don't see why not.
That's a little charger, little plug.
Oh, there we go. So we'll be back soon for a flight.
Oh, we got dogs. Alright. Got a hand launcher because it's a little bit breezy. Here we go.
Keep away from the sun.
This is a cool little plane. Turns on a dime. Got to fly it a little bit over full throttle, half throttle, sorry, because of the breeze. Alright. I'm going to see if I can try and land it without...
And then we'll swap over.
Yeah. Nose, a little bit nose heavy because of the... Alright, with that battery, it's a little bit nose heavy. Now Brad's turn.
Hold on.
Nice little micro Alright. It's a little bit too breezy. Today, perfect for a little indoor flight. It's an insane little micro. I don't know, you can do loop-de-loops even in beginner. Uses the AS3X. Little 150 single cell. Dives bombs. Turns on a dime. Brad's trying to kill me. It's quick for a little single cell. Uses the AS3X. You can bind any Spectrum receiver to it. That's 4-channel plus, because it uses the ailerons and stuff like that. But yeah, they say you get about 10 to 15 minutes, or about, sorry, I should rephrase that, 8 to 10 minutes flying time. Alright. But yeah, it's got 3 modes, safe, and yeah.